In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix the missing search bar in Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. As you can see, the search bar is missing for me. To fix this, simply follow these steps. 1. Go to the top left of Chrome, click on the three dots, and select Settings. 2. Once in Settings, head over to the left side and locate Search Engine. 3. Now, under Search Engine used in the address bar, you'll notice that the search engine you've selected might be causing the issue. Try changing it to a different search engine. I personally like to use Google, and after selecting it, the search bar will appear. 4. Once done, open a new tab, and as you can see, the search bar is back. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.